I don't think people understand the importance of travel security. The thrill of travel, new places, new faces, and new ways to lose your stuff and accidentally give away your personal information. But don't worry, today we're diving into the ultimate guide to travel security with tech. By the end, you'll be able to stay ahead of hackers, pickpockets, and even the dreaded lost luggage monster. From VPNs to luggage trackers and phone safety hacks, we've got all the tech you need to stay secure while exploring the world. Stick around and you'll feel like a tech-savvy international spy, minus the tuxedo. AtlasIQ Presents, the ultimate guide to travel security with tech. Let's start with something we all love, free Wi-Fi. You see it everywhere, cafes, airports, hotels. But here's the thing, free Wi-Fi is a hacker's paradise. Enter the VPN, or virtual private network, your internet bodyguard. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, meaning all your online activity goes through a secure private tunnel. Without it, your device is basically an open book. Think of it as sitting in a cafe and announcing your passwords out loud. Choose a reputable VPN provider that doesn't log your data. Pick a VPN with a no-logs policy so they don't store any of your data. Reliable VPNs like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark can even unlock region-locked content. So whether you want to stay safe on a public network or keep up with your favorite shows abroad, a VPN's got you covered. Here's a pro tip. Remember to turn on the VPN before you connect to public Wi-Fi. I can't tell you how many people just forget this one step, and it's like putting on a helmet after the bike ride. When you're traveling, your device is often your lifeline, booking hotels, checking flights, or buying souvenirs. But every time you enter personal info, you're on a hacker's radar. Always look for TTPS in the URL. That extra S stands for secure. And double-check that the website address is exactly right. Scammers often set up fake sites that look almost identical to the real ones. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Make it a habit to enable two-factor authentication on all critical accounts. Email, banking, social media. This means even if someone somehow gets your password, they'd need a special code to access your account. Think of it as adding a second lock to your front door. Popular apps and services like Google, Facebook, and most banking apps offer two-factor authentication. Use apps like Google Authenticator or Authy for added security. And here's a fun fact. If you're booking tours or accommodations, avoid sending your card details directly through email or chat apps. Many reputable companies will have secure payment portals. And if they don't, well, maybe it's time to find a different tour guide. Also, consider using virtual credit cards for an extra layer of security. Let's talk about one of the biggest travel fears, losing your luggage. Solution? Tracking devices like Apple AirTags, Tile, Samsung Smart Tags, and GPS trackers like Tracky and SpyTech. These devices offer real-time location updates, geofencing alerts, and even crowdsourced tracking for peace of mind. These handy little devices use Bluetooth, so you can track exactly where your valuables are in real time. Whether it's your luggage, keys, or even a pet, you can set them to alert you if you're separated from your item. No more realizing halfway down the concourse that you left something behind. Attach trackers to key items like bags, wallets, and important documents. Choose a tracker with a long battery life and reliable range. Start by placing a tracker in your suitcase carry-on. You can also secure one in your wallet. For added security, attach a tracker to your travel pillow. This way, you can easily locate your belongings if they get misplaced. Users rave about the peace of mind these trackers provide. One traveler shared, "I found my bag at gate 3 without any stress." It's a game changer. Moving on to phone safety. Your phone is pretty much your entire life on a tiny screen, so locking it down is a must. Set a strong passcode and use biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition if available. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Keep your software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. And consider using a VPN when connected to public Wi-Fi. Avoid using the same password everywhere. This is where password managers come in. They not only store your password securely, but also generate strong, unique passwords for each account. When choosing a password manager, look for features like encryption, ease of use, and cross-platform compatibility. Apps like LastPass or 1Password are popular choices. Remote wipe is crucial for protecting your data if your device is lost or stolen. It allows you to erase all your information remotely, ensuring your personal data doesn't fall into the wrong hands. To enable it on Android, go to Settings, then Security, and activate Find My Device. For iOS, navigate to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, select Find My, and turn on Find My iPhone. Use airplane mode in crowded areas or public places to prevent unwanted access and enhance security. Ever heard of RFID skimming? It's when someone can steal data from your credit cards or passport with a scanner without even touching them. RFID chips emit radio signals that can be intercepted by a nearby scanner. To prevent this, RFID blocking wallets and passport covers are the way to go. These items contain materials that block the radio signals. By using these, you can ensure your personal information stays safe from skimmers. Look for RFID blocking gear with verified protection ratings for optimal security. RFID blocking gear comes in various forms, from wallets to sleeves and even bags. These items create a protective shield so no one can access your card information. Wallets and sleeves are the most common, but bags offer extra protection for multiple items. Many budget options work just as well as high-end ones, ensuring effective protection without breaking the bank. If you want an ultra-budget option, try wrapping your cards in aluminum foil. It's not the most stylish, but hey, desperate times call for shiny measures. Let's talk about backing up your data. You're taking amazing photos, storing important travel docs. Now, imagine all that vanishing in an instant. Using cloud services like Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox can save your photos and docs automatically. Additionally, consider using external hard drives or portable SSDs for extra security. USB flash drives are also handy for quick backups. Set up regular backup schedules to ensure your data is always safe. Cloud Backup offers a secure way to store important documents digitally. You can keep copies of your passport, Idaho, and travel insurance safe and accessible. When choosing a provider, look for strong encryption, ease of use, and ample storage space. Use a physical backup device for extra security. It's crucial to have a reliable backup method to protect your data. Smart luggage has totally changed the game. These bags come with built-in GPS, USB charging ports, and even digital locks. They can help you track your bag in real time, charge your devices on the go, and keep your belongings secure. If you're a frequent traveler, they're worth a look. Smart luggage offers great advantages for all types of travel. Whether you're on a business trip or a vacation, you can lock and unlock your bag from your phone, ensuring your belongings are always secure. Think of this as digital housekeeping. Clean up your device before you leave. Delete any sensitive files, close out unnecessary apps, and clear your browser cache. After your trip, run a virus scan, update your software, and review your device for any suspicious activity. Update your passwords and delete any sensitive data after your trip. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to travel security with tech. With these tools, you'll travel with confidence, knowing your data, valuables, and memories are safe. Do you have any travel tips to keep your data safe? Let us know in the comments. Want more travel security tips? Subscribe now and stay tuned for our upcoming videos on the latest tech and strategies to keep you safe on the go. If this helped, hit that like button for more travel tech tips. Remember, staying secure on your travels is all about being prepared and using the right tools. Until next time, safe travels. And may your journey be as smooth as your tech skills.